Okay, it's like this, right? You let's say you're watching one of them freaky deaky videos, right? And you get
Yeah.
bricked. It's the same thing as watching a food video and you start salivating. It's the same
And
thing.
you get pricked.
No,
Bro, you
no,
just said
no,
earlier
no,
it's not the
no,
same thing.
No, I said
You
I
get
don't get
bricked.
bricked.
Bro.
I said I don't get bricked. That's what I said.
And you get bricked, bro.
No, I'm just saying it's like a basic response. You're watching those freaky deaky videos, you get bricked. You're watching
I'm
some
watching
good
one
eats,
as we
you start
speak.
salivating. That is weird. Leave the party.